Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Chef Sandra Cooks. Valentine's Day is not just for lovers, it's the day to reflect on that special friendship you share with someone. Please join me for a sweet Valentine's Day dinner. We'll start by cutting our heart-shaped parchment paper for our salmon and papillote. Super easy to make, and it adds that extra touch. Let's start by preparing our salmon fillets. Drizzle a little extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle some kosher salt, and freshly ground pepper. I'm using fresh leeks to add a subtle, mild, and sweet onion flavor. Some vibrant red cherry tomatoes for that burst of color. Here I'm using sliced lemons, a little squeeze for acidity and freshness. And lastly, fresh parsley leaves for some herbaceous notes. It's time to seal our salmon hearts. Make sure you seal them tightly so they create steam. This ensures a moist, tender fillet infused gently with all those aromatics. Place in a 400 Fahrenheit degree oven for about 12 minutes. When you open the parchment paper, the salmon smells so aromatic and it's very tender and flaky. And look at this presentation. And now for our basmati buttered rice. In a medium saucepan over medium-high heat, add 2 cups of rinsed and drained rice. Add about 3 cups of water. The exact measurement is done with my pinky. Add your kosher salt and give it a little stir. Bring your rice to a boil, reduce the heat to low, cover and cook for about 15 minutes. Uncover and fluff with a fork. Add a touch of oil and your butter and continue to fluff. This creamy, crunchy salad is a perfect addition to our salmon and rice. Let's start by preparing our bell pepper. We'll core and seed it. Here I'm using a mandolin slicer. You can certainly use a knife to thinly slice your veggies. And now slice your fennel bulb. In a medium bowl, add your sour cream, a little bit of your lemon juice, a little bit of your kosher salt, depending on your taste, and freshly ground pepper. And stir away. I added crushed red pepper flakes for a little heat. Now add all your veggies and combine. Now this salad is refreshing and satisfying. And now for my favorite part, dessert. Heart-shaped pavlovas with the strawberry jam and a mascarpone cream. On low speed, add your egg whites and cream of tartar until mixture becomes foamy. Increase your speed to medium-high, slowly and gradually add your sugar. And lastly, add your almond extract. Whisk the egg whites until their thick, shiny, and stiff peaks have formed. Now place your meringue in a piping bag with a star tip. Here I use 3-inch heart cookie cutters. Outline them with a pencil. Once you're done, flip over your parchment paper and tack the edges with a little bit of oil so it stays in place when you're piping your meringue hearts. For the meringue hearts, make a base first. Then with the back of a spoon, smooth down and flatten your meringue. And now pipe a second layer to build a wall for your strawberry jam. Place in a 200 Fahrenheit degree oven for 2 hours. Your meringue hearts will be crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. Let's get started on your strawberry jam. It is sweet and tart, a great contrast to the mascarpone cream. In a saucepan over medium heat, add your strawberries, white sugar, and brown sugar. Stir well to combine. Cover and bring your strawberries to a gentle boil. I added 2 tablespoons of water to the cornstarch to make a slurry. Now boil gently for about 3 minutes. Lastly, add your lemon juice to bring out the strawberry flavor and to set up properly. Transfer to a bowl and place in the refrigerator to cool down. Once cool, place in a piping bag. And finally, the mascarpone cream. It is delicate and not overly sweet. It goes great with the meringue hearts and jam. Start by creaming your butter and mascarpone cheese. Beat until incorporated. Add your powdered sugar slowly. Add your salt, vanilla extract, and almond extract. And whip until it's creamy and billowy. Now place in a piping bag with a large star tip. And now for the heart-shaped strawberries. Using a paring knife, cut the stem off in a V shape. And start slicing lengthwise to reveal the cute little hearts. Pipe your strawberry jam inside the well of your meringue hearts. Now pipe the mascarpone cream over your jam-filled hearts. Now arrange your strawberry hearts over your beautiful pavlovas. Thank you for watching. Hope you give this Valentine's Day dinner a try. And remember, make it your own. Happy Valentine's Day.